Alias Editor. Customize command aliases to better suit you with the Alias Editor. It's easy to make changes to the command aliases already provided in AutoCAD. We're all different, so if your mind thinks C is copy instead of circle, feel free to change it. Launch the Alias Editor with the Tools panel of the Express tools. The dialog box provides an easy interface to add, remove, or edit command aliases. Find either C or circle in the list, click Edit, and remap it to match your preferences. If one of your favourite commands doesn't have an alias, you can add it. For example, you may find yourself using PDF import often. Just use the Add button, choose your new alias, and map it to the PDF import command. User Coordinate System. Leverage the User Coordinate System, or UCS, icon to reorientate your drawing for easier drafting. There are several ways to change the angle that you're drawing on, but one of the simplest is to quickly change your UCS. The UCS icon is an actual object with its own functional grips. Click on it and then select the Move grip to place it into the angled object. Once attached, click on the round end grip and rotate it about the Z-axis to align it with your object. Now you can quickly create your geometry in relation to your desired angled object. When you're done, it's easy to set it back. Select the icon again, right click and choose the word World from the pop-up menu. Named views. Eliminate extra steps by using named views to quickly create layout viewports. Found in the Layout tab of the ribbon, the Insert View tool will display a gallery of named model space views. Click the view you want and drag it onto your layout. It will scale itself to the view's annotation scale. If you prefer, you can right-click to set the scale before dropping the view into your layout, or once placed, use the triangle scales grip to select your scale. This method saves you important steps of locking the viewport, as it does it automatically for you. The Action Recorder. Automate your repetitive tasks using the Action Recorder. True productivity is often a function of automating command sequences. The best place to start may be with the Action Recorder to automate your workflows. Found in the Manage panel of the ribbon, the recorder creates named macros that you can use to recreate a command sequence. It's as easy as hitting the big red record button, executing the commands, and then stopping the recording. Once recorded, play back the macro and watch those commands perform for themselves. The Design Center. Access content in other drawings or easily create tool palettes with Design Center. You can use Design Center to import almost any content from other drawings, such as styles, layouts, and XREFs. You can find it as one of the small icons in the Palette panel of the ribbon's View tab, or you can simply just use the keyboard alias DC. Just navigate to the drawings, or more convenient, any open drawing, and drill down to the content you need. Often using Design Center can be more efficient than recreating content or reattaching XREFs. In addition, there's no easier way to create a tool palette from the drawing that contains your block library. Simply right-click in the content pane and select Create Tool Palette. Draft in AutoCAD across desktop, web and mobile. Ever need to take your drawings with you? With AutoCAD on desktop, web and mobile, you can access and edit your files anytime, anywhere, on any device. Stay connected to your drawings with the AutoCAD and AutoCAD web and mobile apps. Use the Save to Web and mobile feature to save drawings from your desktop to view and edit on your AutoCAD web and mobile apps. XREFs included. Easily go from drafting on your desktop to drafting on the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, and vice versa. And a bonus tip, you can open DWG files directly in the AutoCAD web and mobile apps with Autodesk's Cloud, as well as with Microsoft OneDrive, Box and Dropbox. The AutoCAD Specialized Toolsets. Speed up your work with specialized toolsets that focus on the needs of various industry sectors. There are 7 specialized toolsets to choose from: Architecture, Mechanical, Electrical, MEP, Plant 3D, Map 3D, and Raster Design. The Mechanical toolset includes over 700,000 intelligent manufacturing parts, which also connect to pertinent project information. Any change on one component will cause an automated update on all related to it. Architectural toolset provides intelligent objects such as walls, doors, and windows that recognize a relationship to each other and ease the task of producing sections, elevations, and schedules. The electrical toolset, by using smart schematic lines and symbology, you can expect up to 95% savings in original design and revision times, continuing to leverage this data to create reports and BOMs faster, accurately, and automatically. Make the winning moves. Power users can often fix problems themselves. It's important to know your options in case of a crash or a file corruption. If your file won't open, you may need to use Recover instead of Open, which will audit the file as it's opening. If you have X references in the file, use the Recovery option to get these too. Finally, answer your own questions with several resources, including the AutoCAD Help menu. Also, the Autodesk Knowledge Network. And finally, the AutoCAD blog.